This is another idea that I thought of. On the piston, the vacuum piston in the carburetor has a pin on the lower part of it. As you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, my camera could be, actually it's not equipped with zooming, but as you can tell, it gets thinner as it goes to the top. It goes from thick to thin, and that regulates as well how much fuel is going through the jets. And this is basically the jet area that feeds the carburetor, which comes up through, let me get some more light here and there. I don't know, you see that brass, that little brass, I don't even, here, let's look at it this way. Alright, that's the gas port. Gas shoots in there and then into the engine once this piston goes up and down, regulating the gasoline going into the engine. Now for hydrogen, again, if it's closed completely down, I'm guessing in this area all that is just one tube going through the carburetor. Okay, so if that's shut completely, now I got a block on the system, on my cell, which will prevent any gas leak at the same time. And when I accelerate, that piston goes up, allowing the gas to go into the engine as when I require it. And at the same time, I hopefully will get still some vacuum that will suck, that will compress the gas inside my cell. That's another idea that I'm thinking of, and hopefully we're gonna try them all. We're like we said before, we're still in the testing stages, trying to accomplish what others claim they have accomplished. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Stay tuned.